So to get our articles published on Google, we need to connect to the Google and submit the URLs to Search Console. Now we're gonna quickly do that. Alright, now we're gonna connect to Google Search Console, so which is Sitekit and Google Analytics. Okay, before this, activating this, I want you to head over to Google Search Console and click on this one. Okay, any of these two. Now it's gonna ask, please select a property. Now I have successfully logged in. Now I'm gonna click on add property. Since if you're visiting this Google Search Console first time, it's gonna ask you the same prompt. Okay, add domain or URL fix. If you can do this, if you choose this verification method, you can either go with only one of it, guys. You can either go with the domain or you can either go with the URL prefix. What I'm gonna do is type in my URL. Okay, now if I click on continue, so let's let it load. Sometimes it auto verifies it. So we have two options. Okay, now one, HTML file, download the file, this one, and upload it to our website. So we're not gonna do that, it looks complicated, but anyway, HTML tag, we're gonna take this tag. Okay, add a meta tag to your site's homepage. Copy the meta tag below, paste it in your site's homepage. It should go in the head section before the body first. I'm gonna copy this, head over to site, go to code snippets, and here you can see header and footer, and in the header simply paste this and save changes. Go to Google Search Console and click on verify. This may take a minute, but it is verified under a minute. Go to property. Now you can see successfully our site is connected. Now you can see our site is connected. Okay, so this is a old one, which is a blogger one. I mean, no clicks, I guess. And you can connect as many sites you want. Now the next thing you wanna do is type in your website. Type in sitemap underscore index.xml. Now what we're gonna do is copy this URL, sitemap.index. Go to sitemaps. Okay, sitemaps, and here paste the URL, and I think remove this. We already have the website address, and submit it. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you what this is for. Take this and copy this post sitemap, go to sitemaps and submit it, and same for page. Okay, so by default when you submit first time, it's gonna show you don't fetch, didn't fetch, and if you refresh, it's gonna give you success. Okay, discovered pages, you can see 6.3, and you can see. Now why we should do this? Because whenever this is important to detect our sitemap, Google crawls this sitemap very often and look for if there are any new posts or updated posts or any something like that. Okay, last modified and everything, and it's gonna make sure everything is indexed perfectly and updated all the time. So which is why we want to submit our sitemaps. So many people don't teach you this, but even the web stories, you have to submit the web story sitemap, and I'm going to show you in the video at the end. Okay, after creating a web stories. Now